Have you ever sat down and asked yourself, what is the perfect side hustle for me? You have ambition, maybe even time, but no clear direction. This is not a gimmick. This is a strategic system that anyone can replicate, using tools that are available today, many of them for free. Until I handed over that problem to artificial intelligence. That was exactly where I stood. In today's video, I am going to show you how I asked AI to plan my ideal side hustle and how it worked better than I expected. What are 10 side hustles I could realistically pursue in under 5 hours a week? No vague suggestions, actual viable models. From digital product creation to affiliate blogging to YouTube automation. Let us begin. The journey started with a single question to ChatGPT, based on my interests in finance, productivity, and digital tools in under 10 seconds. It delivered a list tailored around my existing skills. But I was not done. I asked it to evaluate each idea based on startup cost, learning curve, monetization speed, passive income potential. Within minutes, I had a ranked list. It was like having a seasoned consultant available 24/7 without the 4-figure invoice. Next, I brought in Perplexity AI. I gave it my top 2 ideas and asked it to research. Current demand trends, market saturation. AI did not just confirm that the idea was possible, it confirmed that it was profitable. Every task, from product development to email list growth, was broken down and auto-prioritized. Target demographics, I used ChatGPT plus Claude AI to co-write the content. Then Tome, App, and Gamma helped design visually stunning, interactive slides, all without needing PowerPoint. Relevant keywords people are searching for. Canva templates plus AI writing tools plus PDF editors created polished results in under 2 hours. Instead of spending hours combing through Reddit threads, keyword planners, and trend reports, I received a clear picture in seconds. Payment, delivery, and customer support. All automated. It used to take me hours of design. Now it was generated in 5 minutes and ready to share. With my idea validated, I turned to Mixo. I owed to instantly build a landing page, and I barely spent 5 hours per week on it. Then, I asked ChatGPT to give me a 7-day promotional campaign. It's customized to my niche, with clear daily actions and content types. I typed a single sentence describing my side hustle, and within 1 minute, I had a fully generated website. Headline, hero image, testimonials, email form. All done. Next, I used Canva Magic Write to generate a brand identity, logo, color palette, and a 1-page style guide. To manage the project, I used Notion AI to create a launch roadmap. Let us say the hustle was an online course or digital guide. If it was an ebook, this was not cutting corners. It was using leverage. This is where the magic happened. I used Copy AI and Jasper to generate email sequences, social media hooks, and landing page copy. To host and sell the product, I used Gumroad, zero coding, zero cost upfront, and the cherry on top. I asked AI to analyze common objections from potential buyers and help me craft preemptive counter-arguments within my sales copy. Within 2 weeks, the hustle was live. Within 1 month, it generated its first passive income. Here's what I learned. AI is not here to replace ambition. It is here to multiply it. You do not need to be a coder, designer, or marketer. You need to be a decision maker. Your biggest asset is no longer just your time. It is your ability to direct technology efficiently. So if you're watching this thinking, I do not have a side hustle because I do not know where to begin, let AI be your beginning. It will not just save you time. It might just change your life. This is Byte to Bank, where we transform digital tools into actual income. If this video gave you clarity or a starting point, consider subscribing. And let me know in the comments what side hustle AI helped you discover. See you in the next one.